The best cooking sets for the stay-at-home mom. As a stay-at-home mom, you probably spend a little more time in the kitchen than the average person, which means you are deserving of a great kitchen set. A good cooking set makes a world of difference for someone who cooks regularly. Whether you're making Kraft macaroni and cheese or a gourmet dinner complete with homemade sauces and steamed veggies, a good kitchen set will make the job easier and more fun. Plus, your food will taste so much better. Find out for yourself. Why do I need a good kitchen set? So what is the difference between the kitchen set you bought at a department store on sale and the kitchen sets at Best Cooking Sets? Department store cookware is made for people who don't know what they are looking for, but are very conscious of price. Not just any old kitchen set will do for someone who cooks as often as you do.